Right, they are the fire department's aircraft. They're picking up water from the lake. We're off for another takeoff. You can just see them appearing between these trees. They decided to have a land, and now they're going to take off again. There they go, the pair of them. In formation. And they'll come out just over here somewhere. And then they'll go up round behind this little hill here, and then they'll come back round and past us again, hopefully. There we go. Left hand turn. That's good. What a fantastic little treat that's been. Well, they're very, very difficult to see on this little action camera, but it's a case of just point and hope for the best. And I think I got them. And the other one. Right, it's the first night down at the lake, and we're treated to this lovely sky tonight. Right, that's our camp for the night by the lake. Very nice. A couple of joggers coming up. View of the lake. We're now going to go take you on a little walk around the lake, so let's go. And there's a funny little man up here. Look, I don't know who he is or what he's about. If you know, let me know in the comments. Right, oh, little path here. Let's head off down the little path, see where it goes. We're near the lake. This is the little walk we're doing. Got a bit of a stream. Hang on, Mickey. A minute. Just got to pick Mickey up, get him over the stream, because I don't want him to get wet feet and traipse all mud and stuff into the van. So, sorry about that. We're back on now. And got a little sign up here. Let's go and have a look, see what that says. Get down there to the lake, and up here we've got, what we got? A couple of paths, a red and a yellow route, both indicating that they're not the red and the yellow route. Circuit Le Mont-Lucerne, 7 kilometers, 3 hours. We're not going to do that one, which is this one, which is going to have a little walk alongside the lake. That takes in couple of villages, that route. This one is the tour of the lake Salagou, which is what this is. This is Lake Salagou, and that's saying that the river Clermont, which comes into the lake, is 2 kilometers that way. But we're just going to have a quick little walk just around the lake, because we are moving on shortly. We're going make our way towards the Pyrenees now. So I'll catch up with you later. Right, this area, by the way, down by the lake here, and all of this area you can see all in the distance there, around here. This is all a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and if you look at it, I mean, to me, it's probably difficult to get this across on the camera, but to me it looks sort of very prehistoric. It looks like it does come from an age that's sort of untouched. If you get what I mean. You probably don't. You either do or you don't, so I'm not even sure if I do. But anyway, let's carry on with the walk. A bit further off, down here. Nice little bit of bird song. Love the sound of nature, don't you? Last night up at the camp, we could hear the bullfrogs going down here. They were making a hell of a racket. For a bit of a walk down here, shall we? It goes down to the lake. Come on, Mickey. Come on. Come on, move. Which way do you reckon? This way. Let's go this way. Take you right down to the lake. Go on, Mickey. Now, I've noticed this about this lake. I don't know what causes it, but it looks like something has been cutting all the reeds. All of the reeds seem to have been cut, because all around the lake, all of the reeds are laying there. So anyway, let's just go up here a little bit. I can probably get you a better picture of the lake. It's very clear. There's several fishermen out on the lake this morning. Right, we've got a couple of really giant, what look like dandelions. I'm not sure if they are, but they're quite nice looking, aren't they? There's another one over here. I'm not sure if they are dandelions. Some more heads here. They're not dandelions. I don't really know what they are, but they're very nice looking. Alright, this is a really nice path. If ever you're around this way, come down to this lake, 'cause it's really nice. The path is pretty easy to do. It's a sort of a mud path, if you like, with grit. Even though it's been raining a bit overnight, the path is still pretty good. Lovely colour at the moment. At the time of filming, we are, let's have a look, early May the 7th to be exact. A lot of these little streams come down here into the lake. And we've got some grapevines here. Oh, hang on, Mickey's just having a little drink. Don't go too far in, Mickey. Come on, out of there. Try and get in. See if we can get a little close up of see how far the grapevines have come. I'll try and find a place I can get in where it's not too muddy. Let's have a look. See if they got anything on them yet. Yeah, they have. Look, they're the tiny little grapes Coming to a bottle near you soon. Well, I don't know when, and I don't know how. I don't even know what sort of grapes they are. But yeah, seems like anywhere they can fit some grapevines in, they do. Oh, look, lovely little waterfall. Come on, Mickey. Right, there's a lot of this around here. For some reason, people have found all these little bits of rock and they've drawn things in the earth. I'm not quite sure what some of the things are. Obviously they're words, which don't know what they are, but anyway, that's what they are. Right, let's go over here, have another little walk down to the lake before we start heading back. So we're just going up onto this little mound here. Come on, Mickey. Come on, up go. We'll get one last look at the lake and then we'll head back to the van for a cup of tea before we move on to our next destination. One last little look at the lake. It's a lovely lake, this is. Very clean. Yesterday, as you'll see by the footage, you'll have seen that footage. They were doing the fire training on the lake where they were coming in and collecting water. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe. Really helps the channel. And until next time, au revoir.